What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chef Com, back again with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at this delicious onion recipe. Very easy to make and does not take too much time. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video, share and comment down below. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Let's get into the video. Alright, for the ingredients, we're going to need 3 onions, olive oils, butter, 3 bell pepper, salt, sugar, 4 eggs, pepper, cream, flour, cheese, and tomatoes. For the start, we're going to begin by slicing 3 large onions into smaller pieces. Then add olive oil on a preheated pan. Then add butter and let it melt. Add our chopped onions to the pan and let it cook for some time. On the side, begin chopping 3 bell peppers into small pieces. Keep stirring in the onions to allow them cook evenly. Then add salt and sugar for taste. In an empty bowl, crack 4 eggs. Add salt, pepper, and a half cup of cream. Then whisk them together. Add 1 glass of flour to the egg mix and continue mixing. Now that our onions are ready and soft, we're going to remove them from the heat and set it aside. Now chop some green onions, or what we call scallions, into sizable pieces and add it to the bowl of our chopped bell pepper and mix them together. Now we get our cooked onions and add them to the egg mixture and mix them well to combine. On the side, get another pan and on it add some olive oil. Spread it around the pan, then sprinkle some breadcrumbs to fill the bottom. Finally, we add egg mixture with the bell pepper on top. Cut some cheese feta into small cube, then add them on the pan. Then fill the top with our egg mixture. Then grate cheese on the pan to cover the whole top and add chopped tomatoes. Now at this point we are ready for baking. We bake at 350 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Ready for the big revel. Our onion recipe is ready. I'm so excited to try it out. Don't forget to let me know in the comments whether you managed to recreate it, and if you did, how did it taste? Also, don't forget we are doing a post notification shutout. If you want to be mentioned in the next video, what you have to do is drop a comment and add post notification. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new, like the video, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video. Share the video and comment what I should make next. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. We love you. Stay safe. Stay awesome. I'm out. Peace.